Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear viewers, this is your presenter, Mr. Muhammad Asif Mansoor, and today we are going to start our new topic, that is word. When we talk about any language, so first we need to learn about the definition of a word. Now, there are question arises here that what is word? So whenever we talk about the word, it gives us the definition that collection of letters which gives us complete meaning along with complete sense. That particular thing is called a word. Now, going to the example, we have got some collection of letters. You can see that B, L, A, H, N, G, K, K. These all are the collection of letters. But these collection of letters, when are searched into the dictionary, so we do not find any meaning of these collection of letters. So we would not consider them as a word. Going to the second example, there is COW. It is also considered as collection of letters, and when we go to the dictionary, so we would find the meaning of these collection of letters. So finally, the cow will be considered as word. After watching these examples, we cannot we can just conclude to this point that we cannot make words by our own. We have to go to the dictionary and we have to learn already present words in the dictionary. We have to learn them in order to use them in any language we want. So I would in the last thank you very much to you all people. Jazakallah khair. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.